Today I'm going to show you how to install these garage storage racks. To start, you're going to need a level as well as a stud finder. These ones are fantastic, so I'm going to have it linked below. Use the stud finder to mark out the studs in the general area of where you want to install the track. Then grab a tape measure and mark out how wide and tall you want your tools to be stored. The storage tracks that I purchased were these FastTracks by Rubbermade. These are great because all the hooks are included, and you can always buy other ones like for a bike if needed. This kit is 32 inches, but they also make 48 and larger. Inside this kit are the screws as well as 2 of these tracks. The way it works is this metal rail is mounted to the wall and the plastic cover goes on top to mount the hooks. The hooks come in a lot of different sizes, but the back of them have these grooves that match the plastic, so it doesn't matter if you have a 32 or 60 inch rail, the hooks will all fit in the Rubbermade system. We're now ready to go install them, but I'm not going to use this kit because I don't want to mount to the drywall, and these Phillips screw heads will likely break or strip if I mount them to the studs. Instead, I'm going to use these star-bit wood screws. In fact, I've stopped using Phillips screw heads for nearly all of my projects. These wood screws have a self-driving design and there's multiple points of contact, so they drill in much easier and never strip. I plan on hanging some heavy items, so if I don't use a screw like this in the studs, it could rip through the drywall. When you hang it up, only do one screw, then make sure it's level before you tighten it down. Double check that everything is level, then screw in the other side. To give it extra strength, I later went back and put on screws on the top layer. With that track on, I decided to put some more storage on the adjacent wall. On this wall, I put in 3 32-inch tracks, and they all fit together to look like one unit. After putting that one on, I asked myself what could make this wall better, and the answer was more storage racks. Using a 2-foot square, I marked out the second row and hung them up. Again, I made sure to only hang on the studs, or else the heavy tools would rip through the drywall and pull off the racks. With the metal racks in place, the next step was to put on the covers. With the plastic covers on, I can now put on the storage hooks. Just start on the top, then clip it in place. These storage racks are a great system because the hooks are very strong, and I can easily move them around depending on where I need to store the tools. I ended up putting one more rack on the top to store my ladder and things I won't use as often. And that really worked out well because it opened up so much space. I'll have these storage racks linked below and also links to my other home repair videos. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.